Protect your vital assets. THK seismic isolation systems for machinery and equipment. LM guides provide the motion that sustain these seismic isolation systems. LM guides, which incorporate internal rolling elements, provide gentle linear motion. Crossed LM guides provide smooth motion in every direction, making it possible to gently deflect seismic vibrations. THK seismic isolation systems equipped with LM guides protect server computers from seismic tremors. Our newest seismic isolation device provides an analysis of its predicted response to an earthquake based on the location where it is installed, the weight of its load, and the anticipated seismic motion. THK seismic isolation systems are also employed as an earthquake safety measure to protect precision instruments, artwork, and historic artifacts. The mark of linear motion. We make motion possible anywhere.